Hello everyone and welcome back to the Stahls UK YouTube channel. I'm here with Lauren again today from TriDri. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. Yeah, very excited to get stuck into this product. So for anyone who's been watching our YouTube videos recently, you will have seen that we did a What's New from TriDri for Autumn Winter 2024, and we went through all of the new products, including the all-weather robe, we did the joggers, we did the Thermo leggings and the fleece, which we're going to show you how to decorate on today. So before we do that, can we just recap a few USPs about this product, what it is, anything that people should know about it before they start to decorate?
Yeah, so the code for this fleece is the TR125. It's our women's element active fitted fleece. It's 100% recycled using post-consumer waste, so plastic bottles. It comes in black, stone and cool grey. This is the lovely stone that we have here.
Very popular colour.
It's also a nice fitted shape. You've got your quarter zip, which is all self-coloured. You have elastic bindings on the collar, the hem and also the cuffs. It's a pullover fleece and yeah, as I say, slim fit, 170 GSM, comes from size extra small all the way up to extra large.
It feels really nice as well, like it's not too thick of a fleece, but it's really cozy and warm to wear. So it's like the perfect in between of staying warm in the winter, but not having something really bulky on as well.
Yeah, and again, this can go into so many different things. So not just athleisure wear, it can also go into workwear, uniform, because it does have that nice feel to it.
You could also put this into like a brand as well, because the colours are quite neutral. Like you say, you've got black, the cool grey, especially this stone colour. They're all quite on trend, they're very retail, and yeah, they could fit in with your current offering of TriDri products.
Yeah, definitely. We're very fashion forward with TriDri, and we only release the colours that we know that will sell well.
100%, yeah. Well, I'm excited to get printing onto this, so we're going to move over to the heat press and show you exactly how you can decorate this one. So in order to decorate onto this brand new fleece from TriDri, we of course want to make sure that to reduce any chance of scorch marks, we are using that lower heated platen so that we can reduce the temperature coming through from the top platen. So in order to do that, I'm just going to change the standard 40 by 50 platen that comes on this heat press and swap it for our 15 by 15 centimeter power platen. Step one of printing onto this fleece, we are of course going to thread as always, so opening up the inside of the jacket, loading onto the platen and making sure we're isolating that left chest placement just like that. Now for our placement, we're going to make sure to use the collar as our center line and the bottom of the sleeve here for our midpoint. There's no need to pre-press this, as I can feel the heat from the lower platen coming through onto this fleece already, so it's already removing any moisture that we might be concerned with. We're just going to move on to our heat transfers. We're using Ultra Color today. This is a digital hybrid transfer, but the reason I've opted for this is because it does apply at the low temperature of 120 degrees. So it's perfect for really lowering the heat that we're putting through this garment. I'm just going to place it onto the fleece where I want it, making sure everything is in line and nice and straight. Then I'm going to take my GripFlex cover sheet. Now, this is a much thicker cover sheet than our standard release paper, for example, and this is just going to add that extra layer of protection to the fleece while we're fusing. So we're just going to bring that press back across, press the buttons, and the press will automatically come down. So we've got 120 degrees that's needed to apply Ultra Color coming from the bottom platen and 110 degrees coming from the top with that GripFlex cover. Press will automatically open and move away when it's complete, and then we can just remove this garment, set it to the side to cool down, and then we can peel that carrier. Okay, so now this has cooled completely down and this transfer is cold. We can now peel it. So in one swift motion, I'm just going to pull it off just like that. And as you can see, we've got a perfect print on this fleece. No marking at all, and yeah, ready to be sent to the customer. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to heat print onto the brand new TriDri fleece products. I'm so excited for you all to get your hands on these. I think you're going to love them. It's really going to add something different to your product range. So Lauren, these are now officially available. Where can people purchase them?
So we're exclusive to Revolutionize, so you can purchase all of our products on there.
And anything to do with decoration materials and equipment, head online to Stahls.co.uk. All the links are down below, and we'll see you next time with another video.